Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to reassign lead or opportunity one salesperson to another salesperson. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module, this CRM lead transfer. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM app, go to leads and here apply filter salesperson wise. Available total to Mark Demo and Admin. Mark Demo have a total 3 and Admin have a total 6. Now I want to transfer. See here this menu, lead transfer, click on. Type is the lead. Salesperson is admin. Start date 10 to 15. Now click on this load line. This all for salesperson is the admin, but I want to reassign to demo. So select here chair for demo and desk for demo. Now click on this transfer button and see here before demo have a total 3 but now total 5 and admin have a 4. So this chair and desk is assigned admin to demo. Display here salesperson demo. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.